Just go. I'm more worried about people. Are they out? I don't know. Because they're going to be coming in hot.
Which that's some dumb kids with it.
My lighter.
Okay. Where's the lighter at now?
It's in...
Ang insidente ay nangyari noong ika-26 ng Oktubre, taong 22, 23 sa lungsod ng Sparta, estado ng Wisconsin. Nakakuha ng tawag ang pulisya ng Sparta, na may ulat mula sa Walmart, na biglang nagliyab, agad tumakbo ang mga pulis na nagpapatrol malapit doon, upang rumesponde sa insidente.
Get everybody out. Monroe, we got heavy smoke.
Pagdating ng pulisya, karamihan sa mga tao sa loob ng supermarket ay nailikas na. Dala ang mga fire extinguisher, pumasok sila sa loob upang matiyak na walang naiwan na tao.
Just go. I'm more worried about people. Are they out? I don't know.
Sa loob ng supermarket, makapalang usok at halos hindi makita. Habang papasok sila, lalo pang uminit dahil sa biglaang pangyayari. Natagpuan pa rin ng pulisya ang ilang mga customer sa loob. May ilan pang ngangabala sa pagbili ng mga discounted na produkto at di namamalayan ng panganib.
We might as well get double check that side. Yeah. Get everybody away from the front too, because they're going to be coming in hot.
Which that's some dumb kids with it.
I told you, Sarge. I told you. No? I told you. Okay.
Mga 8 minuto matapos, binuksan ng pulisya ang lahat ng emergency exit. Ramdam nilang tumaas ang init sa loob ng supermarket. Delikado na kung magtatagal pa sila. Matapos matiyak na halos wala nang naiwan sa loob, sila ay agad na lumabas mula sa lugar at sa oras na iyon, dumating din ang mga bumbero at nakipagtulungan ng pulisya para apulahin ang apoy.
This is what started it. We'll probably want to pull footage to make sure there weren't some kids are doing something stupid in there, I guess.
I mean, we definitely will. We know where it busted the most was right where we have artificial floral. It's really combustible.
Yeah. My fear is that some kids did something stupid, kind of worst case. But
yeah, I mean, impossible.
Right.
Noong oras ng sunog, may 78 empleyado at 165 na customer sa loob ng supermarket sa kabutihang palad. Walang nasaktan kaya nakahinga ng maluwag ang pulisya.
See that? I made a hider. It's been a while.
You're getting the freaking Garmin tracking.
Mga 8 minuto makalipas ang apoy sa supermarket ay naapula batay sa sitwasyon sa lugar. Tinukoy ng mga bumbero na nagsimula ito mula sa isang artipisyal na bulaklak na plastik na sinunog.
As far as he knew, yeah. Yeah. Like fake flowers and stuff, yeah.
Matapos matiyak ang kaligtasan, ang hepe ng bumbero ng Sparta ay personal na sumilip sa pinagmulan ng apoy gamit ang kanyang karanasan. Agad niyang napansin na maraming kainahinalang bagay kaya kinailangan suriin ng CCTV.
Review the cameras. I'd be real curious to see what you see.
I am too. When I got here was the location of it, and Jake said that something's wrong. Yeah. In the middle of the store.
There's nothing combustible in that alley, that aisle, in that fabric section. As far as anything that would ignite it, I think either somebody put something in there, slipped something in there, so that, get it as slow as you can get it.
Yeah, that's our plan. As soon as we can get in that office, we're gonna go up soon.
Kagad nakipagtulungan ng pulisya at mga empleyado ng supermarket para tingnan ng CCTV bago ang sunog. Isang tao ang agad na nakatawag pansin, siya ay lumapit malapit sa pinagmulan ng apoy bago umalis. Pagkatapos biglang sumiklab ang apoy at nagkaroon ng kaguluhan, mabilis na nakihalo ang taong ito. Karamihan, mukhang kalma at walang kaba, nanood sandali pagkatapos ay sumakay siya sa isang SUV at umalis sa lugar, malinaw na naitala sa CCTV ang mukha ng suspect. Sa investigasyon ng pulisya, nakumpirma na siya si Emma Smith, 17 taong gulang. Ayon sa pamunuan ng supermarket, ang buong seksyon ng damit ay naabog kasama ang pinsala sa istruktura at gasto sa pagkukumpuni na nagdulot ng higit sa $7.60 na pagkalugi. Milyong USD. Ang lugar ng insidente ay isinara upang protektahan ng ebidensya at ibinigay sa DCI para ipagpatuloy ang investigasyon. Isang grupo ng pulis ang pumunta sa bahay ni Emma Smith upang magsagawa ng panayam.
Can we speak to her?
Okay. What'd she do?
We will sit on top of you about it. We'd like to have her downstairs also.
Fire?
Yeah. Did she tell you about it?
She told me she was there shopping.
Okay. If she can come down, we'd like to talk to her.
She the one that started it?
She's a possibility, yeah.
Sa pakikipag-usap sa ina, nakumpirma ng pulisya na noong nangyari ang insidente, pareho silang mag-ina ay nasa lugar. Pagkatapos, tinawag ng ina si Emma pababa. Nang makita ang buong silid na puno ng pulis, agad na napatigil ang dalagita.
Can I have a seat? I'm Detective Bray. This is Sergeant Lotus. Were you at Walmart today?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What did you go to Walmart for?
Oatmeal and mayo.
Oatmeal and mayo. Okay. Did you go with anybody? No? You seem a little nervous. What's going on?
Because it scared me, genuinely. And she did. Panic.
What scared you?
The fire.
Okay. Where were you at when you saw it?
I was walking, I was ready to go check out, and I was in the ladies' bra section, and then someone was saying, oh, there's a fire. And then I saw it started reaching the ceiling, and then I said, everyone move away, fire, fire, fire. I have a video if you want to see.
Okay.
Si Emma ay nagsabi na pumunta lang siya upang bumili ng kaunting pagkain, biglang may sunog at siya ay nakaramdam ng matinding takot. Hindi niya binanggit ang anumang kaugnayan sa apoy. Napansin ng pulisya na kalmado ang mga sagot ni Emma kaya nagsimula silang magbigay ng mga tanong na pang-imbestiga.
Did you see anybody else in the section where fabrics were and stuff like that? No? Nobody else was in there?
There was an old lady, I think, with her family, and they were near it, and then this other person that I was standing near was saying, everyone move from the area, and then I started shouting that too, and you can see it in the video.
Do you have the video? You still have it? Can I come with you?
Sure.
So she's on camera walking out of the aisle, like moments before the fire starts.
And nobody else is in the area?
Not that we can see. And nobody exits the aisle from either side. And her demeanor coming in and leaving are very different.
Ipinakita ni Emma sa pulisya ang video na kanyang kinunan sa lugar ng insidente. Malinaw na hindi siya naligaw. Bagkus ay mahinahon ang mga sagot niya sa buong oras. Sadyang, itinuro pa niya ang hinala ng panununog sa isang matandang babae at sa kanyang pamilya. Sa reaksyong iyon ni Emma, hindi na nakapagpigil ang pulis at nagsalita ng diretso.
Time for you to be honest with us at this point.
What do you mean?
Okay.
So, Emma, there's the footage shows you leave the aisle where the fire started, moments before the smoke starts rising up from the shelf, and your behavior when you walk out of that aisle, you're obviously paying attention to what's happening down there. You can see your head turning and like looking down there several times.
Because I'm usually paranoid about people following me.
Okay.
I do have moments where I get overly paranoid and it makes me act erratically, and she can back that up. And I'm sorry.
I can understand that, and I'm not saying that you're this bad person who's trying to hurt anyone or anything like that. But the footage shows you coming out of where that fire started.
I
And
know,
you're the
but
only one there.
And as soon as you leave, we follow you all the way through the store. And I mean, you're trying to cover your face when you're walking out of the door.
no, I was in panic doing this.
Okay.
What did you start it with?
I didn't have anything. You can check my whole room, my whole body, person, everything. I don't have anything.
I'm not asking you if you have anything. I'm asking you what you started it with.
Patuloy na naghanap si Emma ng dahilan, ngunit sa huli, siya ay isa lamang. Bata, mula simula hanggang dulo. Hindi kailanman sinabi ng pulisya kung saan nagsimula ang apoy, ngunit si Emma mismo ang kusang nagsabi na wala siyang dala. Ang sobrang depensang ito ang lalong nagpatibay sa paniniwala ng pulisya na siya ay nagsisinungaling.
Happened that way.
What did you start it with?
My lighter.
Where's the lighter at now?
It's in.
Where's the lighter at now?
Emma, where's the lighter?
It's in the kitchen where.
I don't want you to touch it. I want you to tell me where it's at.
What's gonna happen to me? Please tell me.
Tell me where the lighter is.
Emma, this is going. That's the
Where's the lighter
short
at?
stick of it. I didn't mean to do it. I'm sorry. I really wasn't thinking. I
Okay.
don't take my meds today, and I'm impulsive.
Okay.
Sa pamumuno ng pulisya, tuluyang bumigay si Emma. Siya ay umiyak habang inamin ang buong pangyayari. Sa tulong ng kanyang ina, natagpuan ng pulisya ang lighter na ginamit niya upang sunugin ang plastik na bulaklak. Nang nakuha na ang ebidensya, ang susunod na hakbang ay tukuyin ang motibo ng krimen.
What did you start on fire? What did you light?
I lit one of the leaves of the fake plants. And I really didn't mean to.
What do you mean? Explain that to me. Help me understand.
Because I wasn't thinking about anything that could have happened at the end. I didn't even think about that. I feel really guilty. But
So,
I
help
really
me
don't
under-
want to go to jail.
Seriously, you could have hurt somebody.
I know, that's
Understand the
why.
gravity of the situation.
No, I do now, and I'm really
Help me.
sorry.
Help me
Please.
understand. Calm down. Take a breath.
I don't want to myself.
You're not going to. Calm down.
Ipinaliwanag ni Emma sa pulisya habang humahagulgol na wala siyang intensyon. Pagkatapos niyang tumawag sa ina upang ilihis ang atensyon, si Emma ay walang malay na nagsindi ng lighter. Hindi niya inasahan na ang maliit na sindi ay makakapagsimula ng malaking apoy sa plastik na bulaklak na naging sanhi ng malaking sunog. Si Emma ay umiyak at nagsabi sa pulisya na labis siyang nagsisisi at puno ng pagsisisi. Iginiit niyang handa siyang magbayad ng anumang halaga upang maisalba ang buhay niya, ngunit hindi siya binigyan ng pulisya ng kahit kaunting pag-asa.
I feel really guilty. I really didn't mean to do it. I don't know what was going through my mind. It's so bad.
It's just stuff. Okay.
I'm so glad
Nobody
I
got
didn't
hurt.
anyone.
Nobody got hurt. Nobody got hurt.
I will pay all the damages. I don't care how.
You're not gonna have enough to pay those damages.
No, you're not.
What am I gonna do? Wait, what's gonna happen?
Well, the stuff is, like you said, it's just stuff. Okay, you'll never have enough to pay to replace that stuff, but it's Walmart. They have insurance
No,
for
I'm being so
taking
serious.
care of that.
I'm so glad I didn't hurt anyone.
Oh, nobody got
No,
hurt.
you're right. Nobody got hurt.
God, I feel so bad.
We will be arresting you.
You better go get some pants on yourself.
Hiniling ng pulisya kay Emma na magpalit ng damit upang siya ay arestuhin.
Holy sh**. I could have been a murderer. No, please. I love you.
Breathe.
I'm sorry.
Breathe.
I don't mean to be this way. I really hate myself for this.
Remember, it's just stuff. Okay.
Breathe.
I really wasn't thinking and I did it, I swear.
Baby, I love you, but you need to breathe, okay? Breathe. It's gonna be okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
This is a lesson learned.
Yes, it is. Oh, Jesus. God.
Ray, you wanna snap a couple pictures of the car before you go?
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God.
And just breathe, okay? Just like your mom said.
Can you push my glasses up?
You'll just be in kind of like a booking cell by yourself, and then you'll go see the judge tomorrow, okay?
So embarrassed and just shameful.
Believe it.
Oh, God.
We have a very, very short trip up to the jail, so...
By the way, I gotta say, you are quite attractive. Sorry, that other guy is too. Sorry. Oh my God.
Naaresto si Emma noong ika-26 ng Disyembre, taong 23 at ay daintayin sa kulungan. Kinasuhan ng 4 na mabibigat na krimen, reckless arson. Unang antas ng panganib, criminal damage sa ari-arian na higit sa $2,500 United States dollars at disorderly conduct. Kinabukasan, ang kanyang pamilya ay nagpiyansa para sa kanya ng halagang $5,000 United States dollars. Noong Disyembre taong 24, idinukumpirma ng korte na si Emma ay nagkasala sa arson at criminal damage. Siya ay hinatulan ng 6 na taon. Na araw ng pagkakakulong, kabayaran na $8 United States dollars and 60 cents. 8 taong probation. Bago matapos ang kabayaran, si Emma ay kailangang magsuot ng GPS electronic device. Sa araw, pinapayagan siyang mag-aral at magtrabaho sa itinakdang saklaw, ngunit sa gabi kailangan umalik sa kulungan upang matulog. Sa halagang ito, marahil buong buhay ni Emma ay gugugulin sa pagtatrabaho ng libre para sa Walmart. Samantalang ang supermarket ay natakpan na ng insurance. Ano ang palagay ninyo? Makatarungan ba ang hatol na ito at si Emma ba ay talagang hindi sinasadyang magsimula ng apoy? Mag-iwan ng komento. pakiibaba. Hanggang dito na lang ang video ngayon, mga kaibigan. Huwag kalimutang suportahan sa pamamagitan ng like, share at subscribe. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na video. Maraming salamat sa panonood, paki-like, at i-follow upang makatanggap ng mas maraming kawili-wiling balita.